Hey, thanks for joining me today for another inside scoop into the minds of the greats. My name is Isabella. I'm bringing you some tidbits from Dean Graziosi, multiple best-selling author, investor, entrepreneur, and trainer. Dean is worth $35 million today. Dean says that the inner self-doubt wants you to stay where you are, but there is the bigger you who wants more. Feed that voice, the one who wants more. You can do it. Don't play it safe. That's not how you live. In a mastermind class I attended, he mentioned 3 thoughts, and I wanted to share them with you now. 1, which voice are you listening to? Self-doubt or the one who's ready to go take a risk? The risk taker will leap into their new passion, leaving their safety net of their steady job behind, while the play it safe type thinks that a steady job with benefits is the safest option. Both may wish they hadn't done it, but the risk taker might just be the one to have their dreams come true. Number 2, go over the best and worst case scenarios of staying where you're at. If you leave where you're at, are you going to be okay with that? If you take the risk, what if they call you crazy? So what? You fail? Great, try again. Think of all the greats out there and how many people thought that they were crazy and how they made it. Who's laughing now? So take a chance, feel alive, and live. Fall in love with your best past instead of resenting it. That's number 3. The gift of your past will put you where you are today. And I say gift because you had experiences, and those experiences make you stronger. Now it's time to learn a new trick. Going across that bridge to the other side. Fail, break, work, and sweat. Do more than just survive. It's time to thrive. And for taking the time to watch my video, I have a free gift for you. For those of you who are business owners, this free bot system will generate organic leads to any business. Just click the link in the description to access. Well, that's all I have for you today, folks. Please don't forget to like and subscribe below, and also add me as a friend on Facebook so I get to know you better and to better serve you. And thank you, and God bless, and always remember to wear comfortable shoes. Why? Because they make you happy.